morning. Beautiful morning on the Pacific Ocean. Definitely gonna miss this place. My last trip long lining. Training these guys here what I can help them with, and I'm gonna go home soon. Go back fishing down south. Hopefully there's something to fish for. Bittersweet, beautiful morning. Love what I do, but no, it's curtains drawing to an end. Be closing soon. It's hard to do this kind of work in arthritis in your joints. Every bit hurts you. Good morning. I'm very privileged to see what I've seen. No sperm whales this trip yet. Lots of videos last trip I've had. We're at the end of August. I don't know, it might be September 1st. Oh wow, not knowing what the days are, it's September 2nd. Very pretty. If the earth was flat, why do I see clouds on the horizon when they're not on the horizon above me? The earth's not flat, but it is controlled by lunatics. Commercial fishermen standing by.